Hey, welcome back to another episode of Mr. Fix-It the Realtor. I'm Zach Lipson with the Jason Martin Group, and on this episode, I'm talking about your roof. More importantly, how to identify where leaks are coming from and maintain your roof so you don't have any more leaks as well. Hey, we're going to be doing something a little bit different this episode. We're actually going to be going up on the roof on these stairs behind me. We're going to go check out where a leak is coming from. We're actually going to show you how to identify leaks, how you can fix them. So let's go on up. So we're on the roof now. We're taking a look at some patches that were previously done. I had fixed parts of the roof I thought where water was coming in, but apparently I didn't get everything. So now we're back up here trying to see where the water could be coming in from. I'm generally looking for things like this where you can see that it's cracking. We don't see any bubbling up here, but anything that looks indicative of where water could get in from, it's usually more obvious than it's not. But here's where I previously did a patch. So we've got some cracks here where you can see very light cracks there, but water can get in pretty easily with these cracks that are around any areas that have been sealed or where there's any type of penetration. For now, we're just going to go ahead and put this down where these cracks are to seal it, prevent any water from coming in. So there's some spots here where I think we didn't do anything and there may be just a little bit of water getting in, but when you have a torrential rain, that little bit of water over a period of hours amounts to something. So even a small little crack makes a big difference. Down there you can maybe see a little gap. If you hear the tap on it, you can hear a little bit of a hollowness. Just trying to seal this up, prevent any additional water from seeping in on edges here. Actually going to take a trowel and smooth this out a little bit. Just to give it more coverage here. Make sure we get our gaps covered up. Seal up around any of the penetrations here. Make sure there's no gaps. I'm going to get around all these little penetrations here. Don't know if water's coming in from around them, but no harm in doing this. So the main thing is you can apply it fairly liberally, and you can apply this using a bucket too versus a caulking gun, but the caulking gun's a little bit easier in this instance. It does take a while to harden. Unfortunately, it's not going to be hard by the time it rains, which is going to be this afternoon, but it should at least form a barrier there, protecting moisture from getting in. This is what it'll look like once we have fully patched and sealed up any spots where we've done any work, and hopefully no more water will come in there for a while. But you have to continually maintain these because the sun is just beating down on it. So I want to make sure that everything is in good shape. You can see we've just done some patches here along the roof. Now we'll just have to wait and see if this holds up. We'll keep an eye on the leak downstairs. What's good to do to track a leak is take a pencil or even your key, draw a circle where around the leak was on the drywall, and if it spreads beyond that, you can see it'll go past your circle. So it's a great way to track the progress and whether you've actually gotten rid of the leak or not. Thanks for watching this episode of Mr. Fix-It the Realtor. As always, I appreciate your feedback, and if you'd like to learn more about this type of roof or other types of roofs, or even other parts of your house and how to maintain them or preserve them, please let me know. I'd love hearing from you. And as always, be sure to check out my YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe.